It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo-Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, Honk. You're up early. Morning, birds. Footprints, thinks Honk. But who do they belong to? Maybe Swo-Swoosh the helicopter knows. Morning, Swo-Swoosh. Look at these footprints. Animal footprints. But what made them? Asks Swo-Swoosh. Let's find out, says Honk. Let's play Inspector Detective. Yippee! Come along, you lot. We need to check your footprints. These footprints are not the same, says Honk. Can we go now? Bleats Sheep. You're free to go, says Swo-Swoosh. If we follow this trail, says Honk, we will find where the animal lives. Stop right there, shouts Swo-Swoosh. And where do you think you're going? Nowhere, says Floppy. Somewhere, says Fluffy. Could we please check your footprints? Calls Honk. So what do you think, Detective Honk? Asks Swo-Swoosh. I'm not so sure, Inspector Swo-Swoosh, says Honk. Okay, you're free to go, says Swo-Swoosh. Stop! Shouts Honk in his biggest voice. Please stop. We need to check your footprint, says Swo-Swoosh. How could you think those ridiculous footprints are mine? Complains Pig. I have the most beautiful feet in the whole wide world. Oh no, cries Swo-Swoosh. Our animal's fallen in the water. That's terrible, says Honk. Come quick, Toot, shouts Honk. Our animal needs rescuing. It might drown, adds Swo-Swoosh. I don't think this animal needs rescuing, chuckles Toot. You've got funny feet, says Honk. Funny feet? No way, says Frog. My feet are made for swimming and jumping. Yes, says Swo-Swoosh proudly. A perfect match. We have been following Frog's footprints. Frogs can live on land and water, adds Honk. You're both very good detectives, laughs Toot. Have fun, everybody.